Right here I have a high quality 2-tier shoe cabinet that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm gonna be reviewing this 2-tier storage shoe cabinet. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look. So as you can see, I ended up opting for the gray wood material. Now this looks so nice. It's made with a high density board that is very sturdy, and it's actually a lot wider than I thought it would be. This is gonna be super sturdy, and you do get felt pads on the bottom, so you can go ahead and push this on the ground, absolutely no problem. Let me show you on the back, just in case you do want to mount this to the wall, you absolutely can do that. Now getting into the quality of this shoe storage cabinet, I love it because it's a 2-tier setup. It has really nice ergonomic to the finger handles. These are going to be silver, and we get a lot of storage on the inside. Now let's go ahead and open the top because I do have this filled with shoes. These are going to be my wife's shoes, and I have 6 pairs laying all the way across in here perfectly, and none of these are touching the top. As you can see, I can close. We got plenty of room in the back, and we also have a 2-tier adjustable system. So this is held together with a screw, so you can just move this up and down depending on how much room you need on the top or the bottom for your shoes. So this is a perfect design, and honestly this did not take me long at all to assemble, just because their directions were very clear and easy to follow, and it probably took me about half an hour or less. Honestly, was not bad. I do think the overall design is amazing, and I love the gray. You can also get this in 2 different shades of brown, or you can get black or white to fit your style. But this is going to be perfect for an entryway. You could put this in a guest room, a bedroom, at your front door, so when people come over your house, they can take their shoes off and put them in a nice place. They can just keep it out of the way, but look so nice, and it doesn't take up much room at all. I absolutely love this, and if you're looking for a shoe storage cabinet, this is one that I highly recommend. Very high quality, easy to assemble, and looks great and very practical. Don't forget to add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.